Monday Makes, a dose of inspiration to start your week off creatively. Welcome to Monday Makes with the Little Craft House. In this series, you get a bird's eye view as I create something unique out of polymer clay. This series is designed to give you inspiration and ideas, as I know that sometimes, whether you're a beginner or a serious clayer, that creative blocks happen and it's hard to know where to start. So today I'm creating a simple and fun polymer clay slab, which I'll later be cutting up and making into use earrings. The polymer clay used today was from a batch of custom colours that I created in a colour mix tutorial last week. I'll link to that tutorial in the description box for if you're interested in making these colours for yourself. For other ideas and full-length step-by-step tutorials, check out my channel The Little Craft House to explore other projects. And if you enjoyed this project, feel free to take inspiration from this slab or even recreate it for yourself. If you do share your creations over on social media, please tag me as I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching and have fun crafting.